One of the cool services that we offer here at ProMed Molded Products is our prototyping department, and that allows us to get product in your hands out of the material of your choice in 5 to 7 days.
Our customers needed an area that they could do iterations very fast. So in 2012, we implemented ProMed Prototype department.
So once we receive a purchase order, drawing, and a solid model, we design and build tooling in-house, and then we run it in our prototypes area with a material that is either specified by your drawing or specifications or best replicates what you're trying to do.
They want to go through many iterations of their product before they commit to a tool and do it very quickly and cost effectively as well. Our goal is to help them to get to market as fast as they can.
It's been a great addition to meeting our customers' expectations. We are able to get into the development process early, provide design for manufacturing examples and ideas. Our customers can actually use these prototypes to further their development process while they continue to figure out exactly what they want, and they all love it. One of the phrases we use here as part of our prototyping department is start with us, stay with us. So we can take you from early stage prototyping all the way through development, validated, and on through your FDA approval process. A lot of companies do prototyping alone. A lot of companies do production alone. We do the full gambit, which once again is a great option for our customers.